common question I get asked as a chef is, what do you like to cook at home? I'm going to show you today. This is called Chicken Tikka Masala. Bring it off the stove, back onto the counter, and you can see it's creamy, it's delicious. All it needs now is some fresh herbs. So we've chopped the cilantro. Cook the rice, put it in some muffin tins and freeze it into individual portions. Then when it's midweek, you just want to pop it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and you've got rice without having to wait 15 minutes for it to cook. Right, that's it. I'm absolutely starving and I'm so ready for this. Until next time, always remember, live, laugh, cook and enjoy life. See you soon.